Dear homeowner, Dayton here with Rodriguez Cleaning and Restoration Services, and today I have 4 tips for you that it will help you to identify if you have a new water leak or an old water leak. Number 1 is knowing the history of your house. You should, when you buy your house, to inspect the entire house, or if you're just doing it now, go ahead and go downstairs or everywhere in the house and mark those spots that you see. That way you're keeping a record of what you're seeing. That way something changes in the future, you're not guessing if it's old or new. Number 2, track the weather. What I mean with this, if it's raining, you may want to check the house to see if you see any water coming in. If it did rain and you don't see anything, you're fine. But if somehow that spot was there, that means that it's old. Knowing if it's raining, if it's dry, and if you see a water leak, you can guess, you can see when things are happening if you're going off the weather. Number 3 is a higher water bill. If by any reason you check your bill and you see a little spike on the bill, there's something going on. It could be that you did a little more laundry, but if you're doing about the same, I would highly recommend that you go around the house and you start inspecting the house. You may have a little water leak. We see a lot of times a water line has like a little pinhole, and it can flood a whole basement out of that. You want to make sure you check everything. The other one is touching the spot. When you're touching the spot, if it looks a little spongy, if especially with drywall, if your finger goes all the way through, that means that that's been happening for quite some time. If you see a little water, that's fresh. But those are my 4 tips for you that it will help you to identify if the spot is old or new. If you have any questions, please leave a comment on this video. Thank you.